Hi, and welcome back to Short Stories for English Learners. Today's story is called The Brave Little Turtle. It's a tale of courage, adventure, and learning to face your fears. Stick around until the end to learn new words and phrases that you can use in your everyday conversations. Let's dive into today's story. On a quiet beach, there lived a little turtle named Timmy. He was smaller than all the other turtles in his family, but he had a big heart and an even bigger dream. Timmy wanted to swim in the deep ocean. Every morning, Timmy watched the waves crash on the shore. The ocean seemed so big and powerful. Timmy's brothers and sisters loved playing close to the beach, but they were too afraid to swim far into the water. One day, Timmy told his mom, "I want to swim to the reef beyond the big rocks." His mom looked worried and said, "Timmy, the ocean is dangerous. You're too small to go that far." But Timmy was determined. "I may be small, but I'm brave," he said with a smile. The next morning, while his family was resting under the warm sun, Timmy decided to start his adventure. He waddled to the water's edge, took a deep breath, and swam into the cool waves. At first, everything was peaceful. Timmy loved how the water felt on his shell. He saw colorful fish swimming around him and waved his little flipper to say hello. But as Timmy swam further, the waves grew bigger. The water became darker and he couldn't see the beach anymore. Timmy started to feel scared. "What if I can't find my way back?" he thought. But then he remembered what his mom always said. "Stay calm and keep moving." Timmy took a deep breath and kept swimming. Soon he saw something amazing. A huge coral reef appeared in front of him, filled with bright colors and strange shapes. There were fish of every color: yellow, blue, orange, and purple. Some were big and some were tiny, but all of them seemed friendly. A big, wise-looking fish swam up to Timmy and said, "Hello there, little turtle. What brings you to the reef?" Timmy smiled nervously and said, "I wanted to see the big ocean and prove that I'm brave." The big fish laughed kindly and said, "Bravery is not about being fearless. It's about facing your fears and not giving up." Timmy felt proud. He realized that he had been brave just by swimming out here. After spending some time exploring the reef, Timmy decided it was time to go home. The big fish offered to guide him back to the shore. When Timmy returned, his family was waiting for him. "Timmy, we were so worried," his mom said, hugging him. Timmy smiled and said, "I went to the reef and it was amazing. I learned that being brave doesn't mean you're not scared. It means you try anyway." His mom smiled proudly. "You are our brave little turtle, Timmy." From that day on, Timmy's family felt inspired by his courage. They started exploring the ocean together, one small adventure at a time. The end. Now let's go over some key words from today's story. Reef, a structure in the ocean made of coral. Timmy swam to the reef to explore. Waves, moving water in the ocean. The waves crashed on the shore. Flipper, a flat body part used by sea animals for swimming. Timmy waved his flipper at the fish. Brave, showing courage in difficult situations. Timmy was brave to swim into the deep ocean. Great job. Try listening to the story again and see if you can spot these words. Thank you for listening to today's story, The Brave Little Turtle. I hope you enjoyed this adventure and learned something new. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it with your friends who are learning English too. See you next time for another fun story.